Hello everyone, welcome to WLtoys channel. This is the review of WLtoys A252 1/24 scale drift car. Before we begin, I'd like to thank Banggood for providing me this car for a review. As you can see here, it's rather big for 1/24 scale. It is more like 1/20th. The 1/24th probably refers to the monster truck version of this chassis. Inside the box we have the car, the charger, 2.4 GHz transmitter with V2X2 protocol, the manual, and some reduction gears. The car is 4-wheel drive, full proportional. And full function forward, brake and reverse. It runs on 2-cell LiPo battery. The included battery is 500 mAh. The body is soft plastic. The transmitter is simple. It runs on 4 AA batteries. And there are 4 buttons for steering and throttle trim. The manual is great. Everything is written in here, including the specs. You can pause the video to read if you want. Now, let's take a closer look at the car. The width is 102 mm. The steering is multi-link. All the ball heads are 4 mm, and you can make a turnbuckle to adjust the toe angle quite easily. This one is the drift car, and it comes with locked diff or solid axle for both front and rear. The other cars in this series come with gear diff or open diff. The drivetrain is smooth, and I'm glad I don't have to fix anything. The motor is 180 brush motor. If you want to upgrade to brushless, the equivalent motor is 2030. The motor mount is metal and gearing is adjustable. The shock absorbers are 42 mm in length, 9 mm diameter, and 35 mm from center to center. Despite the look, they are not oil-filled, and they are very bouncy. The only part that shares with the 1/20th models is the 5G steering servo, which in this car it is on the floating mount. This is 3-wire servo, so upgrading the electronics will be easy. I have a separated video for the test drive. You can check it out with the link on the top right corner or in the description. Now let's go straight to final verdict. The car is really nimble and easy to drive. It works for both indoor and outdoor, thanks to 7 mm ground clearance. The steering is not very precise, but it is because of the stock radio has a huge dead zone or gap in the middle. I've tried using a better radio, and it is much nicer to drive. The steering angle is really low, and it takes a bit of effort to get it drifting. Even after I move the ball link up to the top position, it's still a struggle to initiate a drift. The transition is also difficult. For drift car, don't expect the same level of fine-tuning as the 1/20th chassis. Actually, the more I drive, the more I think I've made a wrong choice of getting a drift car, because it is not suitable to modify, unlike the 1/20th that I had before. There are no compatible parts to upgrade. The steering is very limited. Even if I mod the column to have more steering angle, it is still limited by the CVD. As you can see here, the angle is not that good. I took the measurement and it is about 30 degrees. There's no front one way for this, so CS mod is out of question. Rear-wheel drive mod is doable if you can make custom drift tire for it, probably out of PVC pipe. But if you want a car to slide around just for fun without thinking too much, this is a good car. Actually, this chassis is more suitable for other types of vehicles, like rally car, short course truck, and monster truck. All in all, the drift car is just okay. You are better off with other cars from this chassis. If you want something durable for both indoor and outdoor, this chassis is great and I highly recommend it. The spare parts are readily available, and even though there are only 2 metal upgrades for this car, which are knuckle and CVD, they are all you'll ever need. By the way, you need 2 sets for both of them, because they come in pair and not set of 4. You can also do a brushless motor upgrade very easily. My plan for this car is to mildly modify it for drifting with toe angle adjustment to see if it is any better. Then I'll replace the solid axles with open diffs to convert it to touring or rally car. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook to see what I'm doing between videos, along with some quick updates. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.